What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a full beginner's trading tutorial guide on Toobit. Now, Toobit is fastly becoming one of my favorite exchanges, and you may be wondering why. First of all, it's a very clean trading experience. They've got a lot of trading pairs. There is no KYC, and most importantly, it's UK, USA, Canadian, all of Europe, wherever you may be located, it's very friendly and you can use the exchange. Guys, in today's video, I strongly recommend paying attention, sit back, relax, and get ready for the video. Alright guys, welcome back to another video and thank you for joining me once again. As always, I want to say a massive special thank you to each and every one of you watching at home. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe and join me for this bull market. So before we get any further into the video, I want you to go down right now and make yourself a Toobit account. All you have to do is click the link down here under the Toobit section right there, and you're going to go ahead and get a $9,210 deposit and trading bonus if you meet the deposit requirements. And also no KYC, UK and USA friendly. It's literally as easy as your name, your email, and you're good to trade without any KYC. That is why I'm bringing you this video today, because I've been trading on Toobit right here. We can see USD perpetuals. I'm around $3,000 in a profit, around 250% in a profit on this phantom trade. This Pyth trade, I'm waiting for it to play out. I'm pretty sure it will, but there was no KYC. I literally made my account and in 2 minutes I sent a deposit over and I can start trading. That is why I love Toobit. As you know, many other exchanges are having heavy KYC. You have to send off your documents, your bank statements, your driving license, your passport. It's a massive pain. That is not what we want crypto for. That is why I'm trading on Toobit now. So let's go ahead and get into the tutorial and see what they have to offer. First of all, we can see the homepage right here. Once you've made your account with the links down below, we can check out the markets page right here. They have many different options if you wanted to trade pretty much all your favorite cryptos. Anything I wanted to trade that I found on CoinMarketCap or I found trending on Twitter, it's pretty much available on Toobit. Then you simply go over to this deposit section right here. You click your deposit right there and you go ahead and select what you want to deposit, select your address, and it's as easy as that. If you don't have crypto, you can simply buy crypto right here using their payment service provider right there. Then once you've simply made your deposit, you want to go over to trade. Now this is going to be spot trading. So if you want to trade things without any leverage, if you want to buy and hold for your long-term position, then this is going to be the easiest way to do it. First of all, they have a limit order down here like so. You just select your size and the price which you want to purchase at right there, and then you click buy. Same if you want to sell, you just click the amount you want to sell, the size, and the amount you're going to get is right there in USDT. Over here we have the market buy. This is simply if you don't want to select the price, you just want to have your amount that you want to buy and you just want to go ahead and buy that amount. It's very, very simple and easy to use. A trigger order is when the market gets to a certain price, it will trigger that order. Very self-explanatory, and then it will put the order on the books and it will go ahead and execute your order. So as you can see, it's a very clear trading interface. We have the order book over here. We have the different trades which are taking place, and we have everything here which we need to trade, all the different pairs which they have right there. You can search by 24-hour change as well, like so, if you want to see what is trending or if you want to see what is going down. We can see right there all the different cryptos are there. It's super simple, but the part which gets me very, very excited is the derivatives platform. So we can see here USDT perpetual USDT, and we can see right here I entered a phantom trade like there, and we can see it is currently around $3,000 in profit, which is absolutely amazing. This is actually the first trade I made on Toobit, so hopefully if you go ahead and make yourself an account, the first trade that you make will also be very, very profitable. Let's call it the first trade look. But to find out, you're going to have to make that account down below. So we can see right here on the derivatives platform, all the standard thing. If you're used to trading, it's going to be a very seamless switch over to Toobit. It's going to be completely very easy. Over here, we have the different isolated or cross like so. We have the different margin and the leverage. We can see up to 50x for these assets like so. Over here, we can see the available balance right there. We have market order, limit order, and trigger order, which I just explained on spot. However, it's the same over on leverage. And we can see the amount you want to trade right there. Buy long, sell short, like so. They also have a very unique feature up here, which a lot of exchanges have now. It's called the calculator. So if you wanted to go ahead and enter a trade like so, if you wanted to go ahead and see where the liquidation price might be for that trade, you can simply go ahead and do this. Set your leverage, which you want to trade at, the entry price, the open size, and if any additional margin. Click OK, and it's going to show you exactly where your liquidation price is before you enter the trade. This is very, very helpful for traders. because we are in a pretty bullish market, it's very nice to see the liquidation price. Usually in a bull market, I'm not trading so much with stop losses. I'm just letting the trade run to liquidation because hopefully it will push to the upside. Again, you can see the ROA calculation here as well if you wanted to see that. So once you've gone ahead and entered a trade, you can go ahead and see the trade management section down here and all the different positions which you have. So first of all, we can see the asset, the leverage, the size right here, the P&L right there, the entry price, the mark price right there, the liquidation price, margin ratio, the margin, and if you want to add a take profit or stop loss, you can simply do so like that. Or over here, you can close the position with market or limit or reversals like so. So it's incredibly easy to go ahead and set up and start trading, and I really do recommend it. In the next few weeks, I am going to be having $100 a day Toobit trading tutorial guide, which I really recommend you stay tuned for. Not to mention that they also have a trading mobile app as well, which I've been using. It's super simple to go ahead and see, and you can also share your profits like so on the screen if you wanted to share it over on Twitter or anything like that. It's super simple. And again, they have all the different trading pairs on there, just like they have on their website. So it's a really good way if you open the trades on the computer, which I usually do, and then I use my phone to go ahead and track the trades to see exactly how my trades are going. So it's a really good option and a great way if you're on the go, traveling a lot, you can just simply trade on the app. Another cool thing which they have is actually the copy trading like so. So over on Toobit, you can follow profitable traders and you can see the profit before you, in fact, go ahead and follow them. A lot of exchanges have copy trading, but Toobit actually looks very comprehensive. We can see right here, some of them are having 100% win rate, 100% win rate, 90% win rate. So if you did want to go ahead and use copy trading over on Toobit, it is definitely a good idea. Probably I'm going to make a full video on the copy trading because I think it's very interesting, especially when we are in this kind of bullish market which we're in. It can be very good to deploy a little bit of capital to go ahead and let someone else trade for you because the market is going so well. Maybe if you're not the most professional trader, you just want to allocate a bit of funds over to copy trading so they can work for you, and then you can have your own funds to trade with and then also your own funds in your portfolio. That's a little bit of how I work. Over here, we can see the reward hub, guys. So if you did want to go ahead and get that $9,210 bonus, again, all you have to do is click down below, join the link using my Join Toobit using my link, which we can see right there. And again, a massive selling point with this exchange, guys. You literally click this link, your name, your email, make a deposit, and you can start trading in 10 minutes. It's completely easy. There is no KYC needed. It's UK, USA, Canadian, Europe, Africa, Middle East, wherever you're located. It's friendly for those nations. So I really recommend joining and making yourself a Toobit account. It's a great platform. Here, again, we can see there's different rewards which you can get also like so. Rewards. If you go over here to Toobit Verification as well, again, if you're not sure where this link may be from, or you're on a different site and you're not sure if an email or maybe a Twitter account or whatever it may be, if you're not sure where it's from, you can just simply copy the link of that. You can go ahead and paste it in here. Click search, and it's going to show if this is a verified source or not. This is the Telegram group for this example, but it's a really neat feature that Toobit have got, the Toobit verification. It's going to help you and prevent you from getting scammed. Of course, Toobit also has all the two-factor authentication, email verification, whatever you need to keep your account safe. Toobit, in fact, has it. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, I really recommend going ahead and making yourself a Toobit account. Super simple, in 5 minutes, even less, even 2 minutes. Name, your email, make a password, make a deposit, and you can start trading right away. I've started trading over on Toobit on the perpetual side. I think it's a really great platform and it's super easy to use. And of course, I'll be updating you about my trades and also creating another video, $100 a day Toobit challenge. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Make yourself a Toobit account down below right now, and I'll catch you in the next one.